Hey guys, Matt here, Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Primetest Pro kit. It's quite unique. It actually comes supplied in a carry bag. It's the first of its kind. We've got a strap to go over your body. It's quite rugged and sturdy, so pretty good. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, so in the main compartment, from in here, I can see the software license key. Now this is a yearly subscription. You have to subscribe every year to that with Seaward in the UK. Okay, so we've got the quick start guide. And underneath that we have the Calibration Certificate. So this is from Seaward. Got to keep that on record and get your machine calibrated every year. Looking inside the box, we do have the new tester, the Primetest Pro. So here she is. It does come in a blue casing, unlike its brother, which is the Primetest Elite Plus, which is red. Inside here we also have some foam compartments which look like they're adjustable. Along with that we have the download lead to download the data from the machine. We've got the 240 volt power supply lead. This is for charging the battery as well as running leakage and run test, differential leakage. We have the red IEC lead. That's your standard extension leads, power boards and the like. And finally, we have the test lead. So we have a red test lead here for doing your earth returns and double insulation testing. So that's everything in the main compartment. And from the main compartment, we look into the top compartment. It looks like it is a spare for storing test leads, tags and the like, along with a few adjustable foam inserts as well. So there's plenty of storage for pretty much everything you need, from extra leads, tags, blades, the like. All right guys, that covers everything. Thank you very much for your time.